I was on mute. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about Oracle installation part, types of installation, and what are the hardware prerequisites, and how to verify that. And we download the software. So let's start today the installation. Any one of the method. So what are the? There are two types of installations are there. So one is GUI method, second is silent method. So Oracle is it's not a open source platform. It's a license based database. That means enterprise product. Enterprise product. So wherever you see this enterprise keyword, that means that product is not available free of cost. That product is available licensed based. You have to pay the license if you want to use the enterprise product. That could be anything. That could be Oracle. That could be database. That could be operating system. That could be some other software. So wherever you see open source or community version. So if you see this keyword, so suppose open source operating system, that means that product is available free of cost. No need to take any license. Anyone can utilize that without paying anything. Means it's available free of cost. Means no license. So here it's available. It's available. It's not available free of cost. It's not available free of cost. Please. Okay. It's not available free of cost. So that means we have to take the license here. So what is the advantage if you take the license? Why clients are taking the enterprise product? Why not go for community version, free license? So here if you take this one, suppose enterprise database, Oracle database. Suppose if you are using any, if while using this database, if you face any issue, simple you can get help from Oracle database vendor. So who owner of this Oracle database? Oracle organization company. Oracle, there is a Oracle company, IT software company is there. They developed this database. They started a sell this product some license based. So if you face any issue while using this database, just simple you can raise a ticket with the Oracle website. So they will fix our problem. To get the vendor support, clients they are taking the enterprise product. So community version, suppose there is application, it's not a critical. So in that scenario, they can go and use open source platform. So what are the open source databases? PostgreSQL DB. This is the open source database. So this database available open source database and enterprise database also available. So if it is open source, no license required. If it is enterprise database, EDB PostgreSQL, EDB PostgreSQL. So this is also PostgreSQL database, but EDB PostgreSQL database, it's not available free of cost. So that is the difference between community version of product, enterprise product. That could be anything. That could be operating system, that could be database, that could be some other software. So this is the difference between enterprise and open source. So Oracle is a completely license-based database. License-based database. It's a license-based product. Yes, if you want to utilize this database for your application, you have to take the license mandatory. There is no open source product for Oracle database. So that's about okay, enterprise and open source. So there is a two types of installations are there, GUI method and silent method. In case of GUI method, there is a prompt will come. So there we have to select the all the options. So if it is silent method, there it's not give the any prompt. Okay, so we can use this GA method. So using GA method today we can install the Oracle database on Linux platform. So where you can download this Oracle database, there is a Oracle website. So www.oracle.com. So if you want to, nowadays the latest Oracle version is 23 AI. It's a AI means it's a artificial intelligence database. They added some AI features, so that's why they given name is 23 AI. Before that 21C cloud. Before that 19C. Before that 18C. So like this we discussed the versions of Oracle databases the before yesterday class. So you can go through the recording. We'll share the recording. So nowadays all the projects they are using 19C database. Nowadays all the projects they are using Oracle database 19C. Please keep on mute. Okay, so we'll go through the questions and answers after some time. So we have to download 90C database. So just in Google you can Oracle database 19C free download. Just you can get the link. From this link you can download. So before downloading you have to register the with Oracle website. You have to create your account in Oracle website. So while creating it's asking username password. Using that username password you have to log into Oracle. So there before downloading it's asking to enter your username and password if you register. If you not register you have to create account. Once create account using that credential you can download this database software. Okay, so who is the owner of this Oracle? So Oracle only. Oracle database. This database developed by Oracle organization only. So before proceeding installation, so there is a Oracle home is there. So where you can install this Oracle database software, we need one location to install Oracle database software. That location we called as a Oracle home, Oracle underscore home. So like this naming conversion you can keep it. Slash data app Oracle product 18C DB home 1. This is for 18C home location. Suppose in case 19C, the number will be changed. U01, wherever you can install anywhere, not only U01, not only slash data mount point. So U01 app Oracle product 19C DB home underscore 1. This is for 19C database software. We are going to install 19C database software inside this location. So where you install the database software, that location we called as a home location of Oracle database. For any database, we need one home location. We need one location. That location where we are going to install the database software. That location people called as a the respective DB home location. Suppose if you install Postgres, yes, that location we call as a Postgres home location. If you install Oracle database, this location we call as a 19C database home location. By seeing this, we can understand this is the 18C version. By seeing this location, you can understand this is the 19C database home location. So we require a home location. There is a Oracle base is there. If you want to install multiple versions, we require base. User on app Oracle is the base location. So once install Oracle database, somewhere the data files will be created. So it takes the default location, data files location. This is the data files location. U01 app Ora data. Ora data means data files, default data files will be created inside this location. It's created automatically. Just we have to create this location, home location we have to create. This location should be owned by Oracle user because we are installing the Oracle database software with Oracle user. We have to use some specific user. So all are using common user Oracle only. The other database also, if you want to install other database, you have to use one specific user. So once you install this database, we got one default super user at DB level. That is the sys user, sys account. What is the default port number? 1521. Oracle database default port number 1521. So this is about if you install Oracle database, you will get the one database user, you will get the one default port number 1521. Okay, so what are the hardware requirements? So must and should require physical memory, free -g, or you can grep /proc/mem information. It gives that current physical memory. So we required minimum 6 GB or above. So if 8 GB, that's fine. That is the good configuration. Even 6 GB also we can install Oracle database. How much memory required? Minimum 6 GB, 8 GB. That is a good configuration. So temp file system. How much required? Temp space 2 GB minimum required. So where you want to install this Oracle Home? Suppose /user1. /user1 you required minimum 10 GB disk space. These all are basic things, hardware requirements. Once these all are good, we are proceeding with the installations. So let me start the installation. So once we are good with hardware requirement, so we have enough memory, we have enough temp space, we have enough disk space, all are good. Then before proceeding installation, we need one user. To install Oracle database, we need one user. What is the user? Oracle user. We need two groups. What are those? oinstall and DBA. So these users and DBA, there are some default kernel level settings. Kernel level settings. So these all the things will be done by one default command. This is the command. When you fire this command, it's going to set the default prerequisites automatically. Automatically, it's connecting to Oracle repository. It's creating the user. It's creating the groups. It's set up the kernel level settings. So what are the default prerequisites required to install Oracle database? It's going to set up all the things automatically with this setup, with this command. So we require some operating system binaries, OS level binaries. What are the binaries required? What are the users required? What are the groups required? Everything it's going to set up with this command automatically. This is the first step. Run the prerequisites. Yum install. Yum is the package installer. Yum install -i Oracle database pre-install 19c. What are the pre-installed steps required for 19c database? Everything it's going to do automatically with this command. Second, so we have to create the required directories. We require a home location. So you can create the directory user1 app Oracle product. Which version you are going to install? 19c. If it is 18c, 18c. db home _ 1. Next, we are creating some backup directory. This is the backup directory because just whatever we are download the software, we can keep this location to safe side. This is for home location. We are going to install the database software inside this location. We are going to creating some backup directory to keep the download Oracle database software. So this is how we know how to create the directory. Next, change the ownership. Entire file system user1, I am going to change the ownership. Oracle O install. Which user I am assigning the owner of this user1? Oracle group. Oracle group is O install. So -r means whatever the inside directories, all the things owner will be assigning Oracle only. Permissions 755. So these are the directories we creating under changing the ownership. Then change the permissions. Okay, let's do that one by one. Let me connect. Let me start the. This is my server. Let me start it. Any queries from anyone as of now? Yeah, go ahead if you have any queries. Meanwhile, the server is starting, so we'll connect and we'll start the installation.
What is the professional version? Means difference between professional and enterprise?
Enterprise, it contains all the features.
No, no. And professional?
Professional, okay. So few of the features it doesn't have professional. So all are using enterprise edition only. So we discussed in the first class. Okay, so I think you missed it. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
All database projects, they are using enterprise edition. It having all the features, all the kind of features. It's available. But license cost also, it's high. Based on the edition, we have to pay the license cost.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So let me log in. Root Oracle. There is a two editions they are using, either enterprise edition or standard edition. If you don't want to need all the features, simple database means go with the standard edition. That is the license cost is low. If you need all the features, what are the features available Oracle database? Go with the enterprise edition. Okay, let me take the IP address if config. So we are using Oracle Linux. Okay, 107. Let me connect putty. Yes, 192.168.0.107. Root Oracle. Yeah, can say. Let me increase the font size. Change settings, appearance, change. Click on OK. Click on apply. Okay. So free -G to check the memory. Yes, we have 6 GB enough. Next, df-h disk space. We are going to create the home directory inside user one location. So how much total space? 31 GB. How much available? 31 GB. The total space is available. We need 10 GB, but we have enough 31 GB. Total 31 GB space is available. For temp space, we need 2 GB, but we have 9.7 GB available. Okay, the hardware requirements are good. The hardware prerequisites are good. So let me check the OS version /etc OS release. You can see Oracle Linux 7.9. We are using Oracle Linux only. So this Linux operating system also developed by Oracle company only. Okay, so we are good to check the hardware prerequisites. Next, directly we can install the prerequisites with this command minstall -y Oracle database pre-install 19c. Let's see. Can say it's installing all the packages, creating users, creating groups. What are the things required? Everything it's going to do automatically. Can say complete. Okay. So now we'll check the. Let me create the directory mkdir -p. This is the home directory. This is the staging directory. Let me create directories two at a time. Yes. So now who is the owner of this directory? Can say ls-ld. Who is the owner? Root. Because we create the directories with root user. So by default assign the owner is root only. We have to change the ownership Oracle because we are going to install Oracle database with Oracle user only. So let me assign the okay, change ownership. Yes, you can say. Now you can check up arrow. Who is the owner? DB home Oracle. This is the staging directory only to keep the some backup files. Suppose I want to keep my Oracle database software which I downloaded. Okay, so I created a home directory. I changed the ownership. It's showing Oracle owner. I given permissions also 755 Okay, now so yes, we verified the directory, home directory, Oracle user. Now we have to copy the software. We already downloaded the software, Linux DB home 19c. 19c means 19.300, 19.3 version. So we have to copy the software from local system to Linux system. How to copy the software? Any files. Any files, if you want to copy between local system to Linux server, you have to use WinSCP. So let me connect to WinSCP. Yes. So what is the IP address? Let me new site 192.168.0.107. So what is the user? I need to copy with Oracle user only. Yes, password. Okay. Before that, let me change the password. How to change the password, Oracle user? Password Oracle. Yes, I assign the password. This user is created by with a prerequisite step only. I am not created. So just I change the password. I assign the password Oracle. So now I am login with Oracle user. Copy the software. Let me log in with Oracle user. So where I want to copy the software, there is a backup directory is there. Inside this, I want to copy. Yes, let me can see just this is the directory where you want to copy. Just replace. Now I am in the inside this. This is the location, my current location, WinSCP U01 staging 19C. So who is the owner of this directory? Oracle. Now this is my, there is a yesterday we downloaded. This is my Oracle database 19C database zip file. This is total 2.8 GB. So just drag and drop. Just a drag and drop. It's going to copy software from local system to downloads folder to Linux server. This is how we are copy the any files from local system to Linux server, from Linux server to local system. So it's copying the file to user1 staging 19C directory. Let it copy. Okay, it's copied. Now you can say, so let me go to server, the same location, cd user1 staging 19C LL. Yes, the software copied to the respective location. The owner is Oracle. So you can say, okay, let me, we copied the software. Next, we have to unzip the software. So we have to unzip the software before installing the database software. This is the zip file. We have to unzip the software. How to unzip? Just unzip keyword software. So -d where you want to unzip this software? Inside the DB home location. Inside the DB home location. -d where you want to unzip this software. Yes, let me go and unzip. Let me switch to Oracle user. Okay, let me go to this directory. Yes, LL. Now unzip zip file -d where you want to unzip this software inside home location. You can say DB home one. So let it unzip. It takes less than 5 minutes because the database software size is 2.8 GB. So it takes time to unzip. So this is the home location. We have to unzip software. We have to unzip the software inside the home location. Then we have to start the installation. That is the process. Anyone, any queries as of now? Okay, now the unzip is done. Now let me go to the home directory. Yes, you can say where we are in pwd ll for all the unzipped files. This is the software. Who is the owner? Oracle. Make sure for all the unzipped files, the owner should be Oracle because we are going to installing with Oracle user only. Once copy the software should be owned by Oracle user. Then you have to log into Oracle user. You have to unzip the software into home location. Now we are ready to start the installation. Now let's see. Okay. Yes, we done this step. Next step, we have to start the installation part. So before installation part, we have to set up the environment variables. So Oracle home means what is the location we are using? This is the location. User 1, app, Oracle, product, DB, home 1. Oracle SID means what database you want to create. Suppose primary database, PRIM. You can keep any database, not only prime. You can keep HRMS, you can keep your name also. Some database name is required. After installing, we are going to create the database. What database you want to keep it? So here I am keeping my database name is primary, that is prime. So this is for Oracle Home. This is the location I am going to use Oracle Home for this installation. Already created and unzip the database software. So Oracle base. If we use Oracle Home this location, so till this it takes automatically Oracle base user on app Oracle. Suppose if we use user to app Oracle product 96 DB home 1. In that case, what is the database Oracle base location? User to app Oracle. Just we are setting the environment variables. Whenever you call the Oracle home, it gives this value. Whenever you call this environment variable Oracle SID, it gives the this name, whatever name you given. This is for library path. This is for base location. Okay. So let me set up the this environment variables, Oracle base, Oracle home, Oracle SID means it's a database name. Let me VI. Okay. So after there is a bash underscore profile, you can say ls minus lrt dot bash underscore profile. This is the bash profile. So we are setting the environment variables inside this file only. This file is located every user home directory. We are logging with Oracle user. Where this file is available? User home directory. User home directory means /home/Oracle. Suppose if you log in with Oracle 1, where this file is available, you have to go to /home/Oracle 1. Okay. So now let me dot bash underscore profile. Let me go under. Yes, remove existing one. DD. Yes. Insert I am copying the all the environment variables. Oracle home, Oracle base, library path, these are all the things. Okay. Yes. Okay, let me save this file. If you do any changes on this file, you have to execute this file without restarting the system. So how to execute this? Source file name. Yes, for you or C. Yes. Now you can say executed successfully. Now take echo dollar Oracle home. What it give? This is the value home location stored inside this variable. That is the value given. Or export Oracle home equal to our location we given inside this file. So when you give echo dollar Oracle underscore SID. So what is the SID I given inside this file? Prime. Okay, understand? To set up the environment variables. So we done set up the environment variables. Now we have to start the installation part. Okay, so let me go on do that. Okay, go to VM. Yes, let me log in Oracle. So X host plus su-oracle. So to install Oracle database software, there is a run installer is there. We have to start the run installer. So that file is located inside a home location. We have to go to inside a home location, user one, Oracle, product, user one app, Oracle, product, 19C, DB home. 19C, product, 19C, DB home one. User one, app is Oracle, product, 19C, DB home one. So now we are in DB home location. Export to display equal to :0. We have to export the display variable. Export to display equal to, because now it's giving one prompt, GUI prompt. To give GUI prompt, we have to export the display variable like this. Now there is a file is there. Run installer ls-lrt run installer. This is the setup file. If you start this run installer, the prompt will give. There we have to set up Oracle database name. First we have to install Oracle database software. So let me start how to start run installer. Yes, you can say / that executable file. This is the 19C Oracle database. This is the prompt. There we have to select under install the database. You can say select any of the following install options. Create and configure a single instance database. By default, it's selected. So I want to first install Oracle database software only. Setup software only. Okay. Next. So once you set up software, once you select this, means going to install only software only. It's not going to create the database. Once install the software, then we'll create the database. Select next. Single install database. There is a, initially we discussed, there is a rack database is there, standalone database is there. Standalone means single instance. By default selected single instance. If you want to create rack database, you have to select this one, real application cluster. So I want to go with the standalone only. Click on next. Yes, enterprise edition, standard edition. These two editions, they have to use every project. So I'm going to use enterprise edition. So what is the base? Default it takes based on the home location. The software will be home location, user on app, Oracle, product 19C, DB home one. So it takes user on app, Oracle. That is the base location. This is the software location. You can say where we unzipped DB home underscore one. Here we unzipped. Click on next. This is the inventory directory. It's going to create this directory. So what is the purpose of this inventory directory? It keeps the database versions details, inventory. Click on next. Group name oinstall. It takes automatically. Click on next. These are the groups. All groups will be, it's created automatically whenever you run the pre-step. So click on next. Can say, so after installing the database software, there we have to run two scripts. That scripts going to run automatically. If you want to run automatically, click on this. You have to give the root user privileges. Those two scripts we have to run automatically. If you want to run automatically, you have to give the root privileges. So if you want to manual run, yes, don't select this one. Let me do it. Okay, let me do this time automatically. Next time we'll do manual. So I'm providing root user privileges. Root user credential, password. That is the password. So it's checking the all the things. Means what are the prerequisites? Everything it's going to verify. There is a swap size. It's giving warning. Warning means we can ignore. If it is throwing any error, we have to must and should fix before click on install. So warning, we can ignore all. When you check this, then only the install button appear. Can say ignore. Yes, click on next button appear. Click on next. can say, are you sure you want to continue? Yes. So this is the database edition, enterprise edition we selected. This is the base location. This is the software location, home location. Okay, this is the groups, the default groups, inventory location, everything. Once you verified, click on install. It's going to install the Oracle database software. Okay. Sorry. So we selected run the scripts automatically. It's asking again, configure scripts generated by the installer need to run as a privileged user root. Installer will run these scripts using privileged user credential provider earlier. Are you sure you want to continue? Means click on yes means it's going to automatically run and give the message the registration of Oracle database was successful. Click on close. Now we finished the Oracle database installation part. We finished the Oracle database software installation only. We have to create the database. We not yet create the database. So once install the software, so let me say cat/etc Ora tab. So nothing is there. Once create the database, you can see database entry inside this file. There is a Ora tab file is there /etc Ora tab. So once as of now we haven't created any database. Going to create the database. Once create the database entry and the home location, it will be added automatically inside this file. Now nothing is there. Yes or no? There is no database, there is no Oracle home. Like this, it will be added. Once you create the database, Oracle SID, what database you given SID, instead of Oracle SID, it give DB name. Here, it print the home location. Here, yes or no. Yes or no means whenever restart the server, the database services automatically started means it keep Y. No means whenever the server is restarted, the database services not started automatically. Like this, it will print the added the entry inside this file. So this is about Oracle database software installation. As of now, any queries from anyone?
Yeah, Venkat, but we have given SID as prim, right?
Yeah, given that is a variable, we given the variable, the value will be stored variable prim. Just we install the software, we haven't created database. Now, next going to create the database. While creating the database, there it will ask DB name. The same name will provide. There is a two options when the prompt coming. When the prompt came, that time create and configure the database or set up the software. If you select the create and configure database, it's install the software, then it's asking to create the database, give the database name. But we haven't selected that one. We selected only software installation only. Next, we are going to create the database. That time we use that same name. what name we given in the bash underscore profile, that name we are going to use the DB name prim. Clear?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
And can we have like two versions of Oracle in the same server instance?
Yes. Yes.
19C in one path and
Yeah.
maybe 18C in
Yes.
another
Yes.
path.
Yes.
How many we can maintain?
That depends on the system configuration. There
Okay.
is no limitation. If you have enough memory, enough disk space, everything, yes, you can install a number of databases.
And one thing, Venkat, you have ran the /run installer in the system. But if we have only putty access,
Here also you
to
can,
run.
yes, here also you can. Here are the steps are there. Can see. So from system, let me show you. This is the VM. Same thing I did, right? Xhost plus Oracle export display, then run installer. So if it is from putty, yes, the steps are there. There is a X11 we have to, let me, yeah, I can say Oracle installation from putty. Log into root user, yes, just open putty, new session, expand the assets. Let me session, new session. There is a sh X11. Just enable X11. You can say expand the assets X11, enable X11 forwarding. Here you have to keep localhost colon 0. Localhost colon 0. Then you can go to the session, give the IP address 168.0.107, save the session. Suppose, okay, Oracle. This session I am going to save. What are the properties I selected? Everything is saved. Now click on open. Here you can just follow these steps. Save the session, log into putty root user, then Xhost plus switch to Oracle user, then go to the home location, then export display, then run installer. Yeah, from anywhere you can do that.
Okay.
I mentioned both Oracle putty and Oracle VM. VM means this is the VM, direct login.
Yeah, got it. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, so I think 9. Okay, so I am stopping today.